Welcome to Portumna Library. Today we are going to talk about gardening for children. The library has a large selection of gardening books for children to borrow. Today we are going to show you how to sow some sunflowers. First, you need to have sunflower seeds, and these can be bought in any supermarket, hardware store or garden centre. Then you get some good quality compost and fill your pot with the compost. Then make a small hole with your finger or stick and place the seed in the hole. It's always wise to put 2 seeds in just in case one might fail. Then you cover your seeds and you water. You can then place the pot in a sunny position or kitchen windowsill, and in about 7 to 10 days you will see the shoots appear. Do not let them dry out over this time, but do not overwater also. After about 3 weeks or so, your sunflowers will look like this and will be ready to be planted in the garden. Make sure you stake them up when you plant them outside, as the wind could break the stem. Enjoy sowing your sunflowers. And as an added bonus, why not read some stories on sunflowers? Here are a few stories we have in Portumna Library. Happy gardening.